Welcome back to another garage build update. If you missed part 1, we basically talk about plans, our design, and we get our permits. Part 2, we started the framing, and here we are on part 3. Enjoy.
So JD's at work, so I have to do all this vlog stuff, but I'm not very good at it, so I'm trying to get Annie to go out there with the vlog camera. Annie? Huh? Are you getting your coat on? JD said that even he didn't do this vlog stuff when he was out there with them when they were working, but he thinks I'm gonna do it. But actually I'm gonna make Annie do it. I'll show you how far they've got. Hold on. They're carrying that stuff up on the roof. Our door is in. But they just walk up there with no harnesses or anything, and I'm constantly worried they're gonna fall. Okay, Annie, go out there and tell everybody what's going on, okay? You gotta hold it up in the air like that. Okay.
Do it.
Go walk out there toward that box over there. She's a professional.
Yeah, I just wanna be great, yeah, yeah. I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
We're starting to put up the metal. Yeah. So JD's at work, so me and Lena are trying to record everything. But it's really cold outside. Lena's teething, she doesn't feel good. And is covered in cottage cheese. So I'm trying to record this stuff as much as I can, but I'm not as good as he is at it, obviously. But now they are working on the roof, and they're getting it done really quick. And they're working on the side pieces in the back, but they haven't started on the front yet, but the front's mostly doors anyway. I'll go up on the balcony and show you guys what it looks like. Oh, Lena, you're so cute. Oh, blurry. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, when I try to record out there, it's so bright because of the sun and then the metal and the snow. It's like you can't even see, so I'm just holding it out there and I can't even see what I'm recording. What do you think, Liam? You want to open the door and look? You wanna go out there?
He's putting the roof on now. Look.
Is that your playhouse he's building? Is it too cold?
It's too hot.
It's too hot. So we had to call JD because he's missing everything and tell him to come home and see stuff before it's all done. So he's on the phone. Say hi to the vlog, babe.
Have you been actually
Bye, Dada.
Hey, buddy.
I've been vlogging it out our balcony door.
Yeah, well, you got the kids. It makes it hard.
Yeah, and Lena's teething.
I'm so excited. I can't wait to see it. So the siding started going on?
Yeah. Yeah, and they're almost done with the roof.
What? Did they put the cupola or did they open it yet?
No, they have not opened it yet, and I wanted you to come home before then because I don't want to take Lena out there to look at it. Because Annie was here for a little bit, but she had to leave.
Oh, man. I want to see the cupola before they actually put it up on the roof.
Yeah, me too.
I'll be home in probably a half an hour.
Okay.
Mama, it says this.
All right. Love you, Ben.
Love you.
Mama.
See JD's emojis I have for him? They're about to do the last piece. I swear I did this whole roof in like literally 30 minutes. I think it's kind of nice that it's a darker color so it doesn't blind you when you look at it. Or reflect the sun really brightly.
Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be
Mama. He's making a mess, but I don't do it.
Is he cleaning up your mess, Lena? JD just arrived. JD's gonna go do his professional vlogging.
Yeah. Just walk around, just talk to myself. Act like I know what's going on. Alright. Wow, these guys don't play around. They are rocking and rolling. They are knocking this out. Hopefully Laura got some good footage for you guys. Let her know in the comment section how she did. Maybe we might be able to get her to do it more often. Just as long as she doesn't hand Annie the camera, we might be good. I haven't seen the footage yet, but if Annie films anything like the way she drives, it's not good. She's already backed into the car trailer.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels
Weather vane.
Dude, that's
this
cool.
Points up, that bolts onto the top, and that'll go on the top of that. But this is actually a perfect size. I feel like that doesn't make the house seem too small and awkward. Because any bigger than this, I feel like it looks more like a warehouse.
Yeah.
But we'll outgrow it quick. Joyride garage right here. It's a way, way bigger than what we have. It's probably 4 times the size of the garage I have now. What do you think?
Oh yeah, easily.
We had to go with the car. Contractors just left and they got a little bit of the siding onto the back. They've got pretty much all the roof done. They've set the cupola. The only thing that's not on there is the weather vane. So they're gonna do that tomorrow. I think they may finish the siding, but then they're gonna work on the lean-to. So hopefully we don't have too much longer and this building's gonna be done. We got our door, so now we can actually walk inside the building since we have a door.
Is it locked?
Nope, it's unlocked.
All right, come on in.
Yep. All right. First walk in. You want to walk in, Tom? Yeah. Come on in the building, man.
Oh, dude, this is pretty sweet.
Yeah. It's pretty good size, isn't it?
Huge.
I'm like so excited. Thinking about I want to finish the inside of the building. I do want to finish the ceiling and blow in some insulation up there. After I guess all the electric and everything is done.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll figure it all out. I do want to figure out what I want to do for like heat and AC. I don't know. I was thinking about putting in a wood burning stove and then throwing some fan-ins.
Fan-ins.
So fan-ins. So I was thinking about putting in a wood burning stove and then put some fans in the ceiling just to kind of like push the hot air back down. There's the mini split option. There's a furnace, but that's going to be. Have you walked inside yet? You want to take the door? Yeah.
Just close
Take the
behind
door.
you because there's a
Yeah, close the door behind you. Yeah, don't leave it open. Try to open the windows, let some air in. Yeah. I was about to tell you, don't leave that open. Were you raised in a barn?
I was raised in a barn.
Actually, you were.
Yeah.
You lived in a barn. Yeah.
I know, Mom would always say that to me and I'd be like, yep, I was.
That's funny. What do you think?
It's big.
Yeah, that's what she said.
I live with a middle schooler.
What do you think of your cupola?
I think it looks really good.
Yeah, the cupola does look good. Right, these guys don't mess around. They were out here yesterday. They only had half of the rear done, and then they've already got the garage doors, the framing around the garage doors done, part of the siding on the front, and the lean-to. Yeah, they don't play around. They were out here about 6:30, 7 o'clock.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
The shelf of the Joyride garage is complete. It looks amazing. Dude, wow. It turned out really, really good. Timberline, they just pulled off, just left. They finished up everything. There's like one thing they got to come back and fix. Well, not really fix. We were just short a header board underneath the lean-to, so they're gonna come back and do that, and that's pretty much it. I mean, the shell of the building is done. We got concrete. We got to get concrete, then we'll do electric, and it's not done, but the shell is done. But you guys can get the gist of this. Look at that. That's insane. It looks good. The cupola looks good. The lean-to looks good. Laura, you did good on deciding to go with those. Look at this. Look at the inside of this thing. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour like a 5 maybe 6-inch slab. I feel like because the ceilings are 14 foot tall, it makes it seem not as big. So we got 4 10x10 doors. My goal later, after, you know, the concrete and all that stuff is in, is to build a loft over here and then have some steps that go up, and then up above we'll just have storage. So I think that'd be awesome. The lean-to, we're gonna take a walk around the building just so you guys kind of can see it. So we got the lean-to area right here. It's gonna be like a little patio area. We'll probably put like some patio furniture. Laura was actually saying when we pour the concrete, maybe pour it out further than what it actually is right there. I don't know, we might do that. But then we got the back side of the building right here. And you can actually see the cupola really good from this angle because we're going up the hill with the weather vane. So got the north, south, east, and west. Because the building's so big, you need like a compass, find your way around. And it's starting to get dark. I hate this getting dark early stuff. This building looks awesome. And we did the bronze on the corner caps, which kind of, it breaks it up. Wow, I'm just like so excited right now. Dang, that thing looks good. I'm gonna have to go up on the balcony and take a picture with the sky like this. What are you doing? We actually buy our kids toys. I don't know why they do that. That is why our house is a mess. Yeah. You want to tell them about the garage? Those guys, they rock and roll. They don't play around. They get it done. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. We will have more garage. This is, I think, the garage build, but we will have more, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when these garage build videos drop. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.